Okay, today what we want to talk about is chaos. People talk about the theory of chaos, but chaos doesn't exist. Most people think that all the markets are random. No market is random when you use Murrey math trading lines. Murrey math trading system created 1992 to 93, October the 9th in Nashville, Tennessee. So, how do we learn to trade? You have to learn to trade using a chart. You have to see a chart and you have to evaluate time and price based upon a chart. Most people can't read a chart because they've not been taught how to see a chart. So it's not that they can't do it, it's because they haven't been shown. You don't have to teach somebody to look at something, you show something and they remember it. Trading is memory. The same thing will happen in the future that happened in the past. There are only 64 formations that any market goes through. So we're going to talk about defragging your brain. To defrag your brain, you have to take a square. Once you take the square, you take 16 numbers and place 16 numbers in the 16 squares. So you're only allowed to use 16 numbers. If you place these 16 numbers in the correct sequence, what is going to happen is you're going to see that chaos in numbers actually is not chaos, it's actually perpetual motion, but you can't see it yet. Einstein's theory of relativity says that there is a layer in the air, but you can't see this layer in the air, and he proved it by one simple test. When the light comes from a star and it gets near a planet, the light will bend around the planet. So there is a layer. Whatever this layer is, it's there. So the market's not random, it's there, you just can't see it. So in order to understand something, you have to be shown. And that's what we're going to do with our 16 squares. So as we go from one square to the next, what you want to do is use 5th grade math and reduce your learning to repetition of what you see and to memorize 34 combinations of 34 set to 16 numbers in a square of 16.